Hey roses, welcome and welcome back roses. This is Olena, otherwise known really welcome and welcome back roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. Hey, I know you haven't seen my face in a long time, but anyway, I'm getting ready to go to my doctor appointment. And so last night I washed my hair, and as you can see, put these flexirods in. And you know, I didn't record or anything, but I was like, you know what, since this is my first time putting flexirods on my MICROLOCS, why don't I record it? Makes sense, right? So anyway, we're just gonna take it down. If you want to see how I put in flexirods, you can always check my previous videos on my natural hair before I put these MICROLOCS in. And yeah, if you want to know how I self-installed my own MICROLOCS, those videos are on the channel as well. But for my roses that seem to only want to watch hair content or MICROLOC content, I thought I would just go ahead and do these for y'all. Now my MICROLOCS are now a little over 6 months. Oh yes, they will be 7 months. Look, 7 months like it's a baby. They will be 7 months on August 26th. So, okay. So I'm not sure how this is going to come out. You know, I did not want tight curls, but I did want something. And my hair is partially retied. Yes, I do this. I retie my hair in between days because your girl hands got issues, shoulders, neck, all that stuff. So I listen to my body and do it like that. So I have, let me see, pretty much the back is done, and this was done like, I don't know, last week or the week before that. I still have to do the middle. And I did do a little bit of the front. So anyway, so I've been talking, just taking these down. I just want to see what it does. The only thing I put on my hair is some water. Well, I didn't even put water in my hair. It was the water left over from me washing my hair. And some oil from hair and body oil from Annabelle's Perfect Blend. And honestly, that's it. A little update. I don't use anything when I retie my hair, and I have not since the beginning. You know, my hair may or may not be damp, but because I have the seborrheic dermatitis, I just, you know, the oil is enough for me, and that's that. Okay, what is going on here? I'm finally looking at this, y'all, like, okay, there's some curls. Oh, y'all, I have noticed that for some reason my left side of my hair grows faster than my right, or something's happening. Also, the back of my hair is starting to lock just a little bit. This one is the lock that I started last August. It's almost a year, and look at how much that has shrunk. Yeah, big time. So I'm wondering if the rest of my hair is going to shrink this much. I don't know. So, but that one was started with a 2-strand twist, and then I went to retying it interlocking. So let me see, what am I gonna do here? I don't know, yeah, because let me see. I retie that, but I didn't retie this one, so it might look kind of weird. I don't know. Anyway, y'all, this doctor appointment is with the gastroenterology clinic at the hospital I go to, and it's been 2 weeks or 2.5 weeks or 3 weeks, something like that. I had a colonoscopy, my very first colonoscopy, and for those that don't know, I am 50. I actually asked for to be referred to the gastroenterology department for a colonoscopy before I knew I really needed to. After I had stool testing done, and that determined, yeah, girl, you need to have a colonoscopy. So I had a colonoscopy, and because I was worried about having acid reflux and everything, I had an endoscopy. So yes, TMI. Or really, I don't care, because I'm 50 and I say whatever I want these days, you know, or always have, really, kind of. But anyway, they went in on both ends. So anyway, thanks to good old my chart, you know, I was able to see my results and everything, which, yeah, there's some things going on, but no polyps. But then the surgeon was like, well, she sent me a note, what was it, last week, a week and a half ago, talking about, well, when you go into the GI department, which is a gastroenterology clinic, there's some things, you know, we want to discuss with you. And I'm like, oh, okay. So anyway, that's what I'm going in for. Oh, by the way, I got new glasses. I'll probably put up a video on that, but yeah, your girl can't see, but you know, I wanted to get some glasses that fit my face a little bit more, because my eyes are like closer in together. Like, how can I say it? This part of my head is narrow. Okay, so anyway, this is my hair, y'all. That's 6 flexirods. I don't know what it looks like in the back, but we'll turn around. I wanted to do something that would kind of hide that part of my hair is retied and part of it is not. And some of my hair is very, like, more than 2 months without a retie. Some of my hair, because I started like, last time I started like right here in the front. I kind of forgot about certain parts right here. And then I did the back. This time around, I started with the back, started, you know, going forward, and then have this. So anyway, y'all, let me know what you think. I think it's cute. I mean, from what I can see. Y'all know I can't see. I probably should have turned this light on more. Ooh, it looks short. Anyway. And knowing me, it's gonna go up in a ponytail, but you know, I'm at least leave it down for this appointment. So anyway, y'all, I just wanted to stop in, show you my hair. It's still going. It's still going. I think the thing that I've been struggling with more than anything is bunching, and you know, correcting a lot of that bunching. Let me see if I can find one. Is this one? Maybe we'll do that in another video. But that's the only thing that's just frustrating, because my hair is a lot, how can I say this? My hair is soft, just naturally, you know, like soft. And these are not traditional locks like I had years ago. So my traditional locks, I didn't have any issues with bunching. And maybe because I washed my hair with apple cider vinegar that was diluted. That's the only thing I washed my hair with for a long time. And it kept my scalp bright and everything. But anyway, you know, now I'm using I already showed you guys what I was using, and I have used that full bottle. If you want to know, you need to go back in my videos so I can show you guys, or you can hear from me telling you what I am using on my hair. And I'm all done with that. So now I'm just using a shampoo from She Scented, rosemary and what is it, rosemary and apple aloe, something like that. But yeah, that's what I used yesterday. So anyway, so I just wanted to tell y'all about that, show my face really quick. No, I don't got no makeup. Your girl really don't wear much makeup at all these days, because I never know what my face is going to do. If it want to break out all of a sudden, you know, what's going to irritate it, I don't know. My face is doing whatever it want to do. Okay, nails, you guys will see this video possibly by the end of the month, maybe not. And this one, surprisingly, is a cut down version of the actual length. The actual length is 2XL coffin. So yeah, I kept that for about 5 days, something like that, with nothing on it, and then the designs and all the other stuff. So it looks a little bit, you know, different than this, and this doesn't look the greatest underneath because I filed them way down from 2XL. But yeah, that was the end of that. I need to be able to ball my fist up. That's kind of important for me. I don't know, I can't really go out with super duper long nails. I feel weird when I cannot ball my hand up. It just bothers me. It irks me for some weird reason, but it does. Anyway, so I'm gonna start rambling. I'm gonna get up off here. This is my hair for y'all who haven't been able to see my hair in a long time. Still loving my locks. It's exactly what I want to do for, you know, at 50. That's what I wanted to do, and I ended up installing them when I was still 49, of course, but they were in by 50 like I wanted. So anyway, other than that, if you're new to my channel, hope you subscribe. It's been a lot of nail content. I will try to get more hair content in as my locks mature more. Right now, I'm pretty much doing the same thing, which is nothing, or styling my hair a certain way. I guess I could show you styles, because I have been styling my hair, but this is the first time I have used anything to assist with the styling on my hair. Sorry y'all, loud outside. Anyway, so that's it. Other than that, if you're new to my channel or not new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I really hope you have watched the video to this point, because this whole we gonna watch for a few minutes and be gone, it's not working. Okay, I watch full videos, so I would like anyone watching me to watch a full video. And if you think you can't make it through the video, speed it up. You can adjust the speed on YouTube and still watch a full video. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos or any content that I put on YouTube. Give this video a thumbs up. I would surely appreciate it. And share this video with someone. Leave me a comment if you would like. Other than that, roses, I have an appointment to go to, so I will talk to you later. Bye.